I know it's a toss up, but I hate the fact that we lost touch. Ayy, the Uber pulling up on call. Tell me, is you trying to fall through? I'ma leave it up to you. What you wanna do? Look, I'm trying to spend this time with you. Know we overdue. What you doing right now? Baby, won't you swing my way? It's been a day and I've been thinking out loud. I know I want you. Long time since the last time. Got a tab, we could run up. Knew you from the way, now we grown up. My look, yeah, made the realest ones nervous. But if you want it, tap in. I think that I know somewhere that we could go to crash land. We could keep the pace on slow jam. Don't leave me on red. Can we go back where we first began? No plans, all we had was the moment. This text, I know it's a toss-up. We was raised a little different. Used to be ashamed who I was, now I'm paid by the sentence. Taking my time with it. Baby, give me yours, so I could get them butterflies trapped in your rib cage. Let me know we on the same page. Give me with a text, voice note or an emoji. Waiting all day for your name on the ID. So if you want it, tap in. I think that I know somewhere that we could go to Crashland. And we could keep the pace on slow jam. Don't leave me on red. Can we go back where we first began? No plans, all we had was the moment. Just text, I know it's a toss-up.
Hey guys, so today's Thanksgiving and I'm about to make my mac and cheese and my cornbread. I got my chicken broth boiling, oven preheated. So yeah. Happy Thanksgiving. By the time y'all see this, it'll be way after because I'm late with everything, but it is what it is. I just washed my hair, which I still have the blonde braids and tracks in, so it is what it is. I just needed to wash it because it was itching. But yeah, happy Thanksgiving. Yeah, I'm done with everything. I'm just gonna put it in the oven. Huh? Hey guys, so I'm on my way to dinner with my fiance. We're going to my friend Brandon's birthday dinner. Happy birthday, Brandon. Can't wait to turn up with you. So I'm getting ready. We're going to City Cellar downtown. I'm wearing my hair up. I just want to wet it so that it's not dry. I actually want to. Yes, we are going to City Cellar. Dinner starts at 7:30. It's now 6:45. It is Saturday. I need to get some mousse. Look at how tangled it is. I had it in a ponytail since Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving was 2 days ago. Hope y'all had a great Thanksgiving. Look at this. But anywho, yes, we are going to dinner tonight. I have on this top from Express. I have on my Banana Republic jeans, my Zara necklace, my Tory Burch earrings, and my Gucci belt. I don't know what shoes I'm wearing yet. I want to wear my booties, but it's not time to wear those yet. It's November the 26th? I don't think it's time yet because it's not cold out. But anywho, so yeah, I'm wearing my hair up, but didn't want to throw moisture in it first, especially the ends because the ends are going to be hanging out. But it looks looks like I have a full face of makeup and I don't even have foundation on. So stay tuned for that. Oh, let me brush the back of my head. Make. I wanted to wear it down, but I'm gonna wear it up because I don't feel like detangling it all the way. So just do a ponytail, and then I'm gonna take my claw clip. This is from Zara as well. Let me just spray the ends one more time so it don't look all dried out. These people dinner. Okay, I'm going to twist. Ooh, so cute. Okay, squeeze it. Oh, cute. Ah. Yes, ma'am. Let me wash my hands so I can show y'all the full outfit. And then, oh gosh, look what I just did. I'm gonna do Valentino tonight. Tonight we're gonna wear our Valentino. This is a nice going out. This is a nice going out set. Valentino, thank you to my girl Anasia for getting me this for my birthday. So good. Outfit. We have this top from Express. I want my belt to show, so I might, yeah, I'll wear it like this. Kind of tuck it in. Yeah, right there. Like that. Ooh, this is a look. I gotta take a picture. So we have the Gucci belt, Banana Republic jeans, Express top. This is from, this necklace is again from Zara. Earrings are from Tory Burch, and I'm gonna wear my Tory Burch bag. Coming soon, my Gucci bag. So I can wear my Gucci belt. I'm gonna throw this bag on and give it a gold moment. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, so for shoes, either I'm gonna wear my gold Shein heels, which are these, but these are too gold. Like these are too like metallic-y, if you will. Like this is just too much gold. But if I don't wear these, and I have to wear black, but I don't have like super comfortable black heels for dinner. These are my dinner black heels, but these go the best, but they just hurt my feet. I mean, I'm gonna be sitting down. We have our picture light. Woo-hoo. Definitely gonna bring this because I need some pictures, honey. Okay. All right. Okay, it's not gonna be too bad. But let me get my flats. The hair for me. The braids are hanging on, y'all. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Brandon. Happy birthday to you. All right, you guys, so we are going to be testing out the pink stuff for the first time. So we're going to be trying this thing called the pink stuff. I'm sure you guys have seen this before in other places. I got this from Walmart. I got this small container, so we're gonna try it out for the first time. I have that stain on my wall. I'm gonna get closer. You guys can see it from here. It's a blue stain, so we're gonna try it on the stain, and then yeah, I'll be testing it on other stuff later, but right now I just want to try to get rid of that stain because it's been there for a while. Let's try it out. Where are the directions? Okay. It's not as pink as I would have hoped. I thought it was going to be a nice hot pink, but nonetheless, let's go ahead and try this out. So I'm going to use this rag, and we're going to try to get rid of this stain on the wall. So I'm just going to dig some of that out. And I'm going to rub the spot. Chunk. All right, here we go. Okay, so per the directions, it says apply with a soft cloth or a sponge, rub gently before rinsing off with hot water. Be careful not to apply too much pressure as it could result in scratched surfaces, especially be careful with glass. Do not use on hot or warm surfaces. All right, so I don't know how many times I'm supposed to do this. Let me get some off of the lid. Okay, now I'm gonna go wet my towel with hot water and try to rub it off. All right, so I'm back with a towel and I rubbed it off, but it's not really doing anything, you guys. Yeah, as you can see, the stain is still there. I tried to rub it, but nothing's happening. So I'm just gonna assume it doesn't work on my kind of walls. But the stain is still there. You guys can clearly see that. Whatever. Anyway.